Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinder serves as a foundational tool for those looking to transition from pre-ground coffee to the enhanced flavor profile offered by freshly processed beans. At its core, this device is a high-speed blade grinder designed to handle up to 3 ounces of coffee beans at a time, which is roughly equivalent to enough grounds for 12 cups of brewed coffee. While it is marketed primarily for coffee enthusiasts, its utility extends significantly into the culinary world as a dedicated spice and nut mill. The inclusion of a 200-watt motor provides a substantial amount of power for a device of this size, ensuring that the stainless steel blades can move through dense materials like peppercorns, flax seeds, or almonds without stalling. This specific model is typically priced at around $25, making it an accessible entry-level option for those who want to improve their daily routine without a significant financial investment. Moving into the physical characteristics and build of the unit, the design focuses on a minimalist and functional aesthetic that prioritizes ease of use. The exterior is finished in a matte black plastic that fits easily into most kitchen decors without drawing excessive attention or taking up much room on the counter. One of the most notable design choices is the oval shape of the grinding chamber. Unlike perfectly circular grinders where beans might get stuck in a static rotation, this oval configuration is intended to promote more uniform results by encouraging the beans to circulate more dynamically during the grinding process. Inside the unit, the stainless steel blades are positioned low to the base. This positioning is crucial because it ensures the blades make contact even with smaller quantities of spices or herbs, preventing ingredients from simply sitting underneath the cutting edge. The lid is made of a transparent plastic, which is a practical feature that allows for visual monitoring of the grind consistency in real time. You can see the transition from whole beans to coarse fragments and eventually to a fine powder without having to stop the motor or remove the cover. Furthermore, the safety mechanism is integrated directly into the lid. The grinder will not operate unless the lid is properly seated and pressed down, which minimizes the risk of accidental starts or spills in a busy kitchen environment. In terms of performance, the speed and efficiency of the 200-watt motor are the defining factors. It can reduce whole beans to a coarse grind in just a few seconds, while a finer powder suitable for drip machines or even certain pour-over methods can be achieved with a slightly longer duration. Because this is a blade grinder rather than a burr grinder, the consistency of the final product depends heavily on the technique of the user. Utilizing short pulses rather than holding the button down continuously is generally recommended. This pulsing technique helps prevent the motor from generating excess heat, which could otherwise singe the delicate oils in the coffee beans and alter the flavor profile of the brew. This raw power also makes it incredibly effective for dry spices. It can pulverize cinnamon sticks, cloves, or dried chilies into fine powders far more quickly than a manual mortar and pestle ever could. The stainless steel construction of the interior and the blades is also beneficial for performance and longevity. Stainless steel is resistant to rust and does not absorb the oils or pungent odors of spices as easily as porous plastic would. This allows for a quicker transition between grinding morning coffee and preparing savory ingredients for dinner, provided the unit is wiped down thoroughly between uses. When considering who this product is best suited for, it becomes clear that it targets individuals who value versatility and space efficiency. For someone living in a small apartment or working in a kitchen with limited storage, having one tool that can handle both the morning beverage and evening meal prep is a significant advantage. It is also an ideal choice for the casual coffee drinker who may not be ready to commit to the high cost and large footprint of a professional-grade burr grinder. It provides a noticeable step up in freshness compared to buying bags of pre-ground coffee at the grocery store. Beyond coffee, home cooks who frequently work with whole spices will find this to be a reliable companion that eliminates the physical labor of manual grinding. It provides a level of fineness that is difficult to achieve by hand, making it a favorite for those who like to create their own custom spice blends or rubs. Even for those who already own a high-end coffee grinder, having a secondary, inexpensive blade grinder dedicated solely to spices and nuts can be a very practical move to avoid cross-contamination of flavors. To provide a balanced closing thought, it is important to recognize exactly where this tool fits in the broader market. The KRUPS electric grinder represents a successful balance between affordability and functional power. It provides a straightforward solution for a variety of kitchen tasks, backed by a motor that is robust enough for daily use over a long period. While it may lack the granular, numbered settings of more expensive specialized equipment, its ease of use and multi-purpose nature make it a staple for many households. It is a dependable entry point for improving the quality of home-brewed coffee and a time-saving tool for culinary experimentation. The compact size makes it easy to tuck away in a cabinet when not in use, though its clean design means it does not look out of place on a countertop. Ultimately, its value lies in its simplicity and the consistent power it brings to the kitchen for approximately $25. It is a workhorse that does exactly what it claims to do without unnecessary complexity. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.